YouTubers, and welcome back to another installation. This one we've done an ESU Loksound Select board decoder inside of a Proto 2000 Alco S2, and we've been able to get quite a few components into this guy with a little bit of rearrangement. So you can see here towards the front we've got one of our super mini speakers, and then there's an LED up here on top of it. Here's the actual board decoder right here, and then here, located underneath of it, we've had to do some rearranging so that way we could fit in a Keep Alive, the ESU PowerPack. We did disassemble it in order to fit and then rearrange the circuit so that everything functions. So if you look here at the top, you can see that mini in the front. Here's your LED tied directly to your common and to the negative side for your headlight output. And then here's the motherboard. And then here at the end of it, in the middle, we've got the decoder that actually plugs onto the motherboard. And then you can see underneath the last portion of this, we have that Keep Alive down underneath, so it's not interfering into the cab. So the customer wanted to make sure that we kept the cab intact, so we had to do a little bit of surgery here. Beautiful little sounding and running locomotive when it's finished, and we'll give it a run through and run by here on part 2.